what's up? It's Annie. Today I am in New York City and I'm gonna go walk the High Line, something I haven't done in a while, and I'm sure there are all sorts of cool changes, so I'm gonna film it for you guys. If you don't know what the High Line is, it's a park that's above ground. It's where the old railroad tracks used to go through New York City. Really, really cool place, so let's go check it out. All right, we're on the High Line. If you're coming from the north, this will start on 34th Street. It's between 11th and 12th Avenues. If you know where to pick up the megabus, it's right there, so super easy to get to. But yeah, this is just how it starts, and you're right on the water. It's very peaceful right now because it is winter, it is cold, and not a lot of people will be walking on this. If you come in the spring or the summer, it can get way crazier, but right now it is the perfect time. This is something I haven't seen before. This is really cute. Just some flags up here hanging for some added decor. Ooh, and lots of traffic down below. Thankfully, we are not in that. We can just look at the flags. They also have lots of seating here if you just want to hang out and check out the views. So during the spring and summer months, obviously everything here will be growing and pretty and beautiful. Right now, not so much, but you can still see the train tracks that used to be here back in the day. It's so cool that they converted this area into a park because it was just going unused for so long. And as you can see right below me, this used to be train tracks as well. It's really cool. It's a great way to repurpose something that doesn't exist anymore. They don't need a railroad up here anymore. It used to be, I think, for meat packing. I think for the meat packing industry. But it's awesome that they can now use it for a free park that anyone can come and enjoy. A lot of these buildings right here were not here so many years ago. There's been a lot of construction in this area since the High Line went up because the High Line has become such a tourist attraction that it has created so much interest in this area and having more residential, more shopping here. So it has really revitalized this part of the city. And again, lots more seating to take a seat and just chill for a while. Very cool. This stretch of the High Line is pretty chill compared to the rest of it. It's a lot more open, easy to walk through. It gets a little more narrow soon, and you will see that. I'm hoping to get some food up ahead. I haven't eaten lunch yet, and I am really hungry, so I'm hoping I can find my favorite empanada stand and get some empanadas, so wish me luck. We just came from the path right here, and this is off the path, but it's kind of a part of the High Line, and this is called the Vessel. Really cool. The Vessel pretty much is a walking structure. It's art. You can walk to the top, you can check it out. They're building a big concert venue right next door. Looks like it's going to be amazing. And again, it's just right off the High Line because the path was just right there. And then they have a mall here that is massive. Looks pretty cool, looks pretty fancy. But yeah, this is all here because of the High Line. I'm sure they would have never built this structure here, but there's so much interest in this area now that that's why the Vessel is here. Here's a look at it a little farther back. It's 16 stories. And then I also wanted to show you that right on the other side of it is a Neiman Marcus. But let's get back on the High Line trail. Alright, so we're back on the path, and again, that's the way you get out into everything I just showed you. That's the way we originally came from at the start of the path, and this is the direction we are heading. So I'm just sitting right now on this bench that seems to go on forever, and I'm checking out this art. I'm going to give you a close-up of it. It's really pretty. Makes me feel happy. So as you can see, this part of the path is much more narrow. You have buildings pretty much on each side of you. But right now is a great time to walk it. Oh, love in different languages. Very cool. This one over here says amor. So there are little offshoots in the park. And again, here's another little seating area where you can check out the city and the lovely sounds of sirens. I don't know know how I'd feel about living right on the High Line. I think it would be too loud for me, but I don't know, these people seem to like it, so it's a hot spot. Here's another cool area right here. It's like an observation deck where you can observe the city. It's like the city is your painting. That's neat. This is cool. We have some actual trees that still have leaves on them. Cool. And then another little offshoot where you can sit, check things out. What's down here? Let's go see. A road. Very exciting. Oh, there's paths down here, but you can't actually go down there. I guess that's where, you know, they do maintenance or plant flowers, plant trees, whatnot. I'll have to come back in the spring or the summer to show you guys what it looks like then, because it's definitely different right now in the fall, winter, but I still think it's beautiful, and I think it's really peaceful and serene, especially since not a ton of people are here right now. Oh, what's this clock say? Time to organize. Organize now, organize right. Oh. That's like a clock after my own heart. That's for all the Libras in the world. Let's see. There's the information about it. Oh, she's from Scotland. Throughout the High Line, there are stairs to get in and out, so you don't have to come in from the very start of it or the very end of it. This looks like they're teasing a website, highline.org/what's next, to see what's next at the High Line. Cool. What does that say? Does that say anything? I'm not sure. Ooh, what is on this building? All right, let's try to get a better view of this. Oh, there it is. I lift my lamp beside the golden door. Okay. I feel like the art here is constantly changing. Like if you come back in a few months or definitely a few years, it will be different. Because I've never seen this before. It looks fairly new. Really pretty. And I am just standing on this seating, standing, whatever you want to do on it. We could probably do a little dance and nobody would care. And they also have these reminders everywhere, protect the plants, stay on the path, so they don't want you climbing into the foliage, which makes sense. Foliage? I think that's the word I wanted. It's always exciting when I get a strip of this path to myself and I'm just walking by myself on the path. It's like very cool because I'm in the middle of New York City. It should not be this quiet. Oh my gosh, what is that? I'm not quite sure what that is, but it's pretty neat looking. Let's find a sign. I think we need a sign. Made out of concrete panels, paint, and wood. Oh, it'll be here till March 2020 if you want to see it. I've never seen these buildings before, and they have one on each side of the High Line path. That is really cool looking. Really neat, though. I need a lot of sunscreen for all those windows. I mean, nobody's got time to buy that much sunscreen. Oh, here's another observation area. Oh yeah, let's go look at the view. This place is really cool. Look how neat this is. I like it because when you look out the windows, it's like the city is your art. You know? The city is what you're observing. Let's see what this is about. I've seen a bunch of signs about this. It says, introducing the spur. This is the last section of the original rail line to be turned into public space. Okay, so that was when we first came in near the start. So I'll show you that when we go back. Oh no guys, this is a major, major fail. This area is usually where they have food and drinks for sale and different, you know, items for sale, but really what we wanted was the empanadas and some wine, and it is not here, so this is a fail. Might need to leave the High Line and get some food because it is almost 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten lunch yet, and that is too late for me. Oh man, in the warmer months, this is also where they have a whole wine bar and they have tables there. I don't know why I thought that would be open in December, but I thought that seemed right. I guess people don't like cold weather like I do. I'm starting to feel a little cold. My hands are a bit numb. I think it's time to head back, get some food, but I am going to show you the spur on my way back. I'm going to walk the exact way I came, but I just won't vlog all that because I already showed everything to you, but I will show you when we get to the spur. That's really nice. That's a nice pop of color in the winter time. Very pretty. It almost feels like it's still fall. I guess technically it is still fall. What is it? December 12th today, but it feels like winter, especially since it snowed yesterday. That makes it feel a lot like winter. Oh, by the way, I'm on my walk back. I miss talking to you guys. So I think the reason they have so many benches up here is because the grass up here is not for sitting. It is not that kind of park grass. It is park grass to look at, but they have the actual benches so you sit on those. And also they have scaffolding whenever there's construction going on one side, so you will see some scaffolding as you walk. So right now I'm on 10th Avenue and 23rd Street, and there is an elevator, so that's good to know. 23rd Street. Aw, someone just said go Ravens to me. The Ravens play the Jets tonight, so Ravens support in New York City, we love it. There was some art near the start of the High Line that I didn't get to show you, and this is one of the pieces. So there, you've seen it. It's right by the hearts. Oh, there's something on the other side too. Yep, there it is. But I like the hearts the best. I don't know. All right, we are back by the vessel, and I think this is the area that they call the spur. I think. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, good. So this is the spur. Oh, it's the last little section of the railroad. Oh, my camera battery is flashing. How sad. Oh yeah, there's a lot of space right here. And you can watch, you know, people wearing weird clothing on big screens. That's cool. Oh wow, it's a lot of purses right there. It's a huge bookcase shelf of purses. Huh. All right, let us head out. Very nice spur, very nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of the High Line. Sorry I didn't make it all the way to the end, but we got really, really close. I hope you liked the video and give it a big thumbs up if you like it. That would make my day. Also subscribe to see more of my crazy adventures. You honestly never know where I'm going to be, and that's kind of half the fun of it. But until the next vlog, bye guys.